Good morning, dear students. My name is Kumar Gaurav. I welcome you all today. I hope you have done all the work. You have already completed your examination, half yearly examination. So from today, we are going to discuss about the next important topic, that is conjunction. It is very necessary for your examination. So we are going to discuss about that, and you have to study. Okay, conjunction. Firstly, we will talk about the conjunction. What is conjunction? Okay, first we have some examples by which we can understand what is conjunction, then we will start in detail study. Okay, some example we have. Suppose I play, I study. There are two sentences and we have to combine it. Okay, I play and study. Look at this. And this is a word which combine two sentences. This is a word which combine two sentences. This is called conjunction. This is called conjunction. In this way we can say that conjunctions are the joining words. Conjunction are the joining words, and you can say that conjunction are the joining words which join two words and phrases and sentences. Okay, you can say that it makes simple plus simple equal to compound. Simple plus simple equal to complex. Clear? Here is the example I have told you. I play and study. Okay, these two sentences combined with and, so this is called conjunction. We can also use this. I play but study. I play but study, but is also conjunction. Okay, I hope you understood about the example of this. So one or two more example we can also add here. Suppose we have, he is very good at study but bad in sports. Okay, but this word join two sentences. Okay, two sentences. So with the help of but we can use, he is very good at study but bad in sport. Okay, so in this way we can say that the word which joins, that is called conjunction. Join words, sentences and phrases. So we are going to discuss about the conjunction. It is very important to know. Okay, so firstly we have to see the definition of this. What is the definition of conjunction? Okay, definition. Write down definition. Conjunction, we can use, conjunctions are the joining words which add two words, phrases and sentences. Okay, we know that conjunction are the joining words which add two words, phrases and sentences. In this way we can say that conjunction always add two sentences, two words and phrases. Okay, so we have some example. Again we can see that, we can say that Sachin and Rahul play together. Together. Here two words we can say that. Okay. There are two words. Sachin and Rahul play together. But I am saying that Sachin plays and studies. Here in this sentence we have two sentences. Sachin plays, Sachin studies, and we combine Sachin plays and studies. Okay, we combine this with the help of and. Here is also and. Here this and is joining two words, but here this and joining two sentences. So it means we can say that they are the one work. There is one work and there are two work. Okay, so in this way we can say that conjunction are always joining words which add two words and phrases and sentences. Now we are going to discuss about types of conjunction first. Okay, what are the types of conjunction? Clear? Note down it. Now we are going to discuss about the types of conjunction. What are the types of conjunction we have to study in detail? Okay, types of conjunction. Types of conjunction. Types of conjunctions. So we have coordinate and subordinate. Subordinate conjunction. There are mainly, we can say that, two types of conjunction, coordinate and subordinate. But you can say that one more, that is correlative conjunction. We will also study about the correlative conjunction. It is not any other topic of this, but we can say that combination of coordinate and subordinate, it is called correlation. Okay, correlative conjunction. Clear? So types of conjunction, mainly we have to study two: coordinate and subordinate. So we are going to discuss about the coordinate and subordinate. One simple concept of this we are going to discuss. Coordinate always makes compound sentence. When it joins two sentences, it becomes compound. Okay, but subordinate always makes complex sentence. When it joins two sentences, it makes complex sentence. But when we talk about correlative, it makes both compound and complex. Okay, because this correlative is the part of coordinate and part of subordinate. Okay, so in this way we can say that types of conjunction we are going to discuss about it. Note down it, and after that we are going to discuss in detail about coordinate. Clear? I hope you are understanding about this concept of conjunction. Okay, it is very important for you, and you can make a lot of sentences with the help of conjunction. Okay. Then we are going to discuss about coordinate conjunction. Now we have coordinate conjunction. Okay, coordinate conjunction. Now we have to understand coordinate conjunction. What is this coordinate conjunction? It always adds, it always adds two sentences, okay? But there will be kinds of, we consider kinds of coordinate conjunction. What are the kinds? We are going to discuss about it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. What are the kinds? We are going to discuss about how many kinds of it. There are 4 kinds of it. First, cumulative conjunction. Okay. Second, adversative conjunction. Third, elative conjunction. And fourth, I am talking about alternative conjunction. So these are 4 kinds of conjunction of, 4 kinds of coordinate conjunction we are going to discuss about. Clear? So first we have cumulative, second, third and fourth. So in this way we can say that we are going to discuss about first cumulative conjunction. Note down it. Okay students, I hope you are understanding about the concept of conjunctions, and then we are going to discuss about cumulative conjunction first. Okay, what is this? First, today we are going to discuss about cumulative conjunction. What is it? It has the expression of addition. It has the second meaning of this addition. We can understand the meaning of this addition because it always adds 2 sentences that will be equal parts. Okay. Suppose one person is doing 2 work, and the sentence will be combined. Okay, with the help of this addition. You know very well addition. Simple plus simple equal to compound. It makes compound sentence. This addition is cumulative conjunction. What are the words we are going to discuss about in it? First, and. Second, not only. But also. Third, as well as. And fourth, both. And these are the words are called addition. Okay, are called addition, and you know very well addition is the also meaning of conjunction. You know very well. And cumulative is the first part of coordinate conjunction. It has the expression of addition, and it always adds 2 simple sentences to what you can say that. So and with the help of and we can make more sentences. I can say that I play and teach. There are 2 work I do. How many kinds of work we are doing? Means here 2 work, play and teach. I do. So I play and teach. Okay, so in this way, this simple sentence combined with this and, this is called addition. Okay, this is called addition. And we can make more, not only but also. I don't only play but also teach. Look at this, don't only, here is not, so this is the tense of present indefinite tense, and I have noted here do before not, because do is the helping verb of negative sentence of present indefinite tense. I hope you know very well about the concept of and structure of tense, all the tenses. Don't worry, I'll teach you again that all the tenses. I don't only play but also teach. Okay, but also teach. So in this way we can use two sentences. Okay, I play and teach. I don't only play but also teach. Clear? Two sentences here, and you can write down more. First note down it. I hope you have noted it. Have you done? Okay. Now look at this next. The next example I am saying that I am writing here on this basis of this example. Okay. We have as well as. We have as well as. Now we have as well as. So we can convert I play as well as teach. Teach, play with the help of as, it is conjunction and combine two sentences. Okay. Next we have I both play and teach. It is the last, means two words and last part of this addition, both and. I do both play and teach. I do both play and teach. In this way we can say that they are two simple sentences, and we have used this addition in the form of and, not only but also both and as well as. So it combines two sentences and makes compound sentence. Okay, this compound sentence, this is compound sentence, and this is also compound sentence, and this is also compound sentence. Okay, after making two. Look at this. I hope you understood about the concept of this. I can show you more example of this. So this is your first topic of coordinate conjunction, that is we are studying addition. Addition. Okay, addition is the expression of meaning of cumulative conjunction. You know, first cumulative conjunction. Clear? So in this way we can make a lot of sentences. Today we have discussed about it. Note down it first. I hope you have noted it. Now we are going to discuss some more example about this. Okay. Look at this. We have discussed about and, not only but also, as well as, and both and. We have already discussed, these are called addition. These are called addition. Okay. Now we have I am a doctor. I am a teacher. Means there is one person. Suppose I am saying that, suppose Look at this. Suppose this is a person. He is a doctor and he is a teacher. Means he is saying that this person is saying two sentences. I am a doctor. I am a teacher. Okay. But how can it this person say there in this way one sentences in two, means one sentence and saying about doctor and teacher combined with plus addition. Okay, addition is add not only but also. He can say that I am a doctor and a teacher. Now he is saying that after using and, he is saying this one sentence. Okay. Now he doesn't has to say two sentences. He has to say only one sentence with the help of and. He can express his two designation. One is doctor and second is teacher. Okay. Now I am talking about, he is saying that I am not only a doctor but also a teacher. In this way you can say that. Okay, look at this. I am not only a doctor, not only but also a teacher. Now he doesn't has to say two sentences, I am a doctor, I am a teacher, but he has to say one sentence, that is compound sentence, with the help of conjunction and, not only but also, as well as, both and. Okay, so in this way you can say that I am not only a doctor but also a teacher. He can also say that using of this as well as, I am a doctor as well as a teacher, I am both a doctor and a teacher. I hope you understood this concept. It is very important for you and you have to discuss it. I mean, you have to just make all the example, whatever the example before you, you can make your ideas yourself. Okay, note down it. Okay, I hope you have understood about the concept of this. Today we have done this coordinate conjunction, means first part of coordinate conjunction, and tomorrow we will discuss about the second part of coordinate conjunction. So you have to make your notes properly and try to send me daily. Try to send me daily, not try to send me daily your notes, and then I'll check it what you are doing and make your example yourself. At least 10 example yourself you have to do. Clear? And then tomorrow we will discuss about the second part of this, I mean second part of coordinate conjunction, that will be your adversative, and I will discuss about you what is the expression of adversative and meaning of other adversative. Okay, so see you tomorrow and have a nice day. Thank you very much. Take care.